Good to see you again, friends. In this video you will learn how to connect internet or Wi-Fi in your computer or laptop from your mobile phone very easily. Okay friend, I'm going to share two methods from that you can connect your computer or laptop with internet, okay, from your mobile. Okay, number one is from the wireless method, okay, that is from the hotspot of your mobile, and number two is from the wired method, that is from your data cable charging USB data cable. Okay, now let's jump to the Wi-Fi hotspot method from your mobile phone, how to connect. Okay, now first let's jump to your mobile. While connecting internet from your hotspot, you must have to connect with Wi-Fi, or you must have to turn on your data, cellular data from your mobile. Then after turn on the hotspot of your mobile phone, and after click the Wi-Fi hotspot. Okay, to modify some setting you can edit the password or your hotspot name there. Okay, I'm editing. Okay, Android share one, and you can find you can edit the password and jump to the computer site and click on Wi-Fi option. Okay, and here you can see the hotspot, okay, from hotspot of my mobile, and you can connect. Okay, this trick may work on laptop and which computer have the Wi-Fi card. If you don't have Wi-Fi card, and there is the next solution, that is the wired solution. Okay, if this hotspot couldn't work in your computer system, that may be the world type of computer, and at that computer you can connect internet through the USB data cable or your charging cable also. Okay, insert the type C in your computer and insert that endpoint of your data cable to your mobile. Then have to follow this setting. Then after scroll down, and there you can find out one option, that USB tethering option. Okay, turn on that USB tethering option. Okay, then after you must have to turn on your Wi-Fi or your data in your mobile phone. Okay, and when you turn on this option, then after it automatically enables the internet to your computer system. Okay, this one is the very easiest way to connect internet from mobile to the oldest type of computer. If this video helped you, then let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to share, comment, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.